Mr. Nyamarian, sit for the cooking man. Yeah, Mr. Nyamarian, yeah. Who you know do it better than C4? Sit for the cooking husband. Better known as Mr. Nyamarian, sit for the cooking man. Yeah, Mr. Nyamarian, yeah. I will sit for, yeah, boss sit for. Son poe sifo utandenya ule awe sifo.